Okay, here is 11c of 11.4. In parts A and B, you had to find out the equation of the parabola. You were given the latest rectum, and I think you had to find the directrix as well. The equation of the parabola ended up being x squared equals minus 12y. So the focus was 0 minus 3. And you were given a point on the parabola in part C, and that point was 2 minus a third. And you're asked to find the length of that focal chord, okay, because that chord goes through the focus and it extends from this point to an unknown point. Now, I found that unknown point to be minus 18, minus 27, and then what I did was I found the distance between the 2 points, because that's what they're asking for, okay? So, to find this point, I got these 2 points first and found their gradient, and I got 4/3. Then I used a point gradient formula. I used this as x1, y1, and 4/3 is my gradient. Substitute in my point gradient formula, and I get this, which is a straight line, and of course the general form is 4x minus 3y minus 9 equals 0. Then I have to solve that simultaneously with the parabola equation to find out my x values first. All right, so I made y the subject in 2 and get y equals minus x squared on 12, and then I substitute that into equation 1. All right, and upon doing so, I end up getting a nice quadratic, which factorises nicely to give me solutions of x equals 2 and minus 18. Now, x equals 2 belongs to this point, and x equals minus 18 belongs to the other point. To find the y value, you just get that x value and substitute it into this equation, okay, that we got from equation 2. And we end up, on substitution, we end up getting that y is equals minus 27. So that's my other point. Okay, then I'm going to find the distance between this point, okay, the 2 points, that one and that one given. All right, because they want to know what the length of this focal chord is. So you need to find the distance between them. All right, so in doing that, you're going to get 2 minus 18 all squared, and minus a third minus 27 ends up being that. You can put that all in on your calculator and you're going to get 33 1/3 units.